Assalamualaikum viewers, I hope you people are fine. Today I will tell you about some basic things. The preposition of times. We have how many preposition of times. So have a look to our topic. So preposition of time. The first is in, the second is on, the third is at. What is in, on, at? So I will tell you about these. So the first is in. Now the example of in is there. In the morning, and the second is in the afternoon, and the third is the evening, in the evening, and the fourth is in February, and the fifth is in the spring. It is seasons. In the spring, and the second is in the summer, season, in the spring season, in the summer season, and the third is in the fall or autumn, and the fourth is in the winter, and the next is years. Here we will talk about the years. In the 23 year, or in 2023, and the second is in 1990s. So this was our in. So it is the table of in. February. So the second is on. What is on? How we will use on? So the first is Sunday, on Sunday, and the second is on Monday morning, and the third is on Tuesday afternoon, and the fourth is Wednesday evening, and the fifth is my birthday, on my birthday. So the sixth is on holiday, and another is my fifth or 5th May, on 5th May, and on a weekend, or on a weekday. Now on the weekend, and it is on 5th May. And the third is 8. How we will use 8 and where we will use 8. So the 8 we will use now in sentences. 8 night, and we will use this with times or with time. So 8 night, 10:30 p.m. or a.m. and the third is 8 noon or 8 midday, So another is midnight, 8 midnight, and the next is 8 bedtime, 8 sleeping time, 8 bedtime or 8 sleeping time, both are same. And another is sunrise, 8 sunrise time or sunset, 8 sunrise time or sunset time. And the last is 8 the weekend. So these were our preposition of time. Preposition of times. So the first was in, the second was on, the third was at. If you will have any kind of question regarding these or regarding another topic in English, so I am ready to answer you. Tell me in comment box. Kindly subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thank you for watching my video.